This is insane. This is nuts. This is insane. This is insane. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. What? That's insane. Look around. Oh my God.
Sunset.
It's an eclipse. I can't talk. I'm just putting this one away because I can't even speak. Oh my God. That's insane. This is wild. Hey, come on. Well, if you do that, but I want to get this over with so we can enjoy it. Wow. Wow. That is fantastic. Oh my God. Oh. Okay.
I got 3.
Okay. We'll see how they go. Did you just do what it recommended?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I don't want to block that. Get down here. Go ahead. Sorry, face this way. A lot harder than up.
One of them is a great man.
Look at me. You down to do that for me? It's charged. Just look through it. Try to get it somewhat close to my head if you can. Tell me to move if you need me to, okay? Okay?
Be closer to me.
You good? Tell me before you do it. All right, give me a countdown. Oh shit! Stay there. Rewind it. Do it again. Countdown. Thank you. Thank you so much. That is nuts. I'm so curious to see how this thing reacts. That is fantastic. Look at those prominences on the bottom. You see those bright spots? Those are solar prominences.
Is that a sunspot?
The reddish part on the bottom of it, that's a prominence. That's like hard to explain right now. It's like a jet of plasma in like a magnetic field around the thing.
Oh, wow.
This is insane.
Isn't it? Oh, here it comes.
Here we go.
Oh.
All right, don't go blind, anybody.
There it goes.
We're back. Oh my God, that was incredible.